Welcome to another tutorial. First of all, like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Then we are going to start a video. Please watch the full video. Do not skip. Open the pixel app. Select the shape. Adjust the shape. Then select the import button. Go to the gallery. Select the shape. Remove the background. Adjust the photo. Select another photo. Remove the background. Select the erase brush. Adjust the photo. Please like the video and subscribe to my YouTube channel.